Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. I'm Carl, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a quick and easy shrimp fried rice right after this. All right, y'all. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using teriyaki sauce, some soy sauce. I have some cilantro and scallions mixed. And here I have some carrots, I have some yellow squash, I have some mushrooms, onions, some green peppers, some green bell peppers. I also have some diced tomatoes in there. I have some leftover rice, white rice. I have some steamed broccoli. I have some medium-sized shrimp. I have some canola oil, some ground black pepper, some salt, some parsley, sesame oil, ginger paste, and I already said the teriyaki and soy. All right, and I'm going to be using a wok for this. All right, so that's all the ingredients. So after this is going to go real fast. All right, the first thing I'm going to do, got my my wok nice and hot. So I'm going to go on with my vegetables first. Hit it with a little salt. You don't need a lot because the soy sauce is going to be very salty. Go in there with some pepper. And the other thing I want to let you know, I'm not putting egg in this because my wife and kids are going to eat this, and they don't like eggs in their shrimp fried rice. Yeah, I'm also going to throw some peas in here, some green peas. Didn't realize I had some. They're frozen, but they're going to cook up real fast. All right, going with my broccoli. So the broccoli's already cooked, so all I have to do is just heat it through. And now I'm going in with my shrimp. All right, going with my rice. Going in with some sesame oil. And all the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description below the video. Going in with some soy. Going in with some ginger paste. Going in with some parsley flakes. And going in with some scallions. All right, just gonna mix everything up nice and evenly. All right, going with a little teriyaki. This is optional. Last but not least, going in with my cilantro. And that's pretty much it. You know, super easy. All you got to do is just make sure you prep your ingredients ahead of time. You don't have to use a wok. You know, you can use any large frying pan that you have, or you can just do a smaller batch and use a smaller pan. You know, this right here, you know, feed about 6 people, 4 or 5 people. You know. You know, all the ingredients together probably cost me less, you know, about $12 to make. So, not expensive to make. Let me give it a taste. Yep, spot on. All right. So I just want to thank you for checking out another one of my videos. This is our quick and easy shrimp fried rice, no egg. I added teriyaki sauce. That's optional. But again, thanks for coming by the channel. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and also hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. You know, on that note, I say God bless, stay safe, keep cooking, and hope to see you on the next video. Peace.